friends, we are going to learn about something interesting and we can call it do something. Do something in future. Okay, interesting. Well, we are talking about job scheduling. So, it is pretty much clear now that we want to do something, but at a later time. If you want to do it right now, we can do it. For example, run this command. We are done. Okay, list the contents of this directory. It is done. So we can say uh, 80 now. 80 now means do something now. What is that something? You need to type in there now. So it is waiting for your input. So I can say, okay, run ls command. Okay, hit control D that I'm done. I don't want to provide more inputs. Okay, now the job was scheduled for 3:50 exactly, and it is already past 3:50 now. So anyways, so what now means is do it right away, but it was waiting for the command, so I provided it the commands, it executed the command, and there is no output because we did not capture the output, so there is nothing on the screen. Now let's do it again. 80 now. So I ask it to do the file listing again, and of my some other directory. Let's do it this time. Log messages star and capture the output inside this directory temp, and the file is, let's say, at.log. Control D, hit that command. Okay, so it was scheduled for 3:51. It is already past 3:52 by now, I think. So anyways, the job must have been already completed. Let's see the output in this file. Yes, we have the output there. But if you want to do something right away, you can just do it, right? Using the command, we can just uh, do our job. So you would probably use now to say that plus 2 minutes. Okay, so from now 2 minutes, maybe from now 1 day or 2 days, or maybe years. Okay, years. Now you can also say at midnight. At midnight, what to do at midnight? You tell it that you send an email. Hello, sweetie. Hello, sweetie. Let us have a party at midnight at my home, and pipe it to mail command, and you can specify anything you want to specify here. So what is it? So maybe the header. Yes, subject header, subject line. Subject is party time, and to whom we want to send it, root user and one user or demo user. Okay, now control D. So our job is scheduled for midnight. But if I run the same command here at the command prompt, what happens? It gets executed immediately. Did I get any email? We got the email, party time. Okay, but we do have a job here queued for midnight. Okay, so for midnight, so job number is 39, and at midnight the same thing will be done. Okay, this command will be executed and these two users will receive the email message. Now the thing is, you can specify some other time frame as you like. So what you can do is, friends, you just look at the manual page of this command, and you will find that there are several uh, you know strings for time, hours, colon, minutes, midnight, we just used it, noon, tea time is 4 p.m., and plus 1 minute, plus 5 minutes, etc., weeks, days ago, not ago. We are not talking about past. So plus you can specify now plus, and then you can specify the time units, etc. Tomorrow. But if you specify time in the past and it is right, for example, currently it is 3:55 a.m. But if I say 3:50 a.m., then it will be queued for the next day. Can we check that? Yes. So let's try it. 803, sorry, 8:03:50 a.m. and we specify some task here again. Let's say the same thing. Hit enter, hit Control D. Now let's see our queue, this time with the hyphen L option. So you can use ATQ as well. So our job is scheduled for 3:50 a.m. So because 3:50 a.m. is already gone by now, so that's why it is scheduled for next 3:50 a.m. So next day you can use AT command with with some other flags also. Let's say hyphen F. What it does, it is expecting you to specify a file, maybe a script. Let's see if we have any. So I'll go into this directory. I have one script here, backup.sh, and what it does, let's see. So it's just a one-liner thing. It will compress all the logs that the file name that begins with the messages. So all messages, system messages will be compressed. That's it. So that is the job, and I want to do this now. That there is this directory. We can be in any directory, okay? Not necessarily in the slash tmp. So we can specify that there is this directory slash tmp, and I have that script there or a file containing the commands, and I want you to do it at noon. So that would be 12 p.m. Okay. So you see 12 p.m. Now let's run ATQ or sorry, AT hyphen L. So for 12 p.m. we have a job is scheduled. Now friends, what happens uh, if I do this thing now plus 1 minute, sorry, ATQ, AT hyphen L. The time you see here is usually the job number and the actual scheduling time you see here. So 3:59. What is the date and time currently? It is not yet 3:59. So you still see it in the queue, and the job number is 42. Okay, so it should be done by now or not? Not yet. We have some few seconds still. Okay, okay, I'm losing patience now. Well, we have to wait. So ATQ. Okay, the job is done. It is no more here now. So job number 42 is gone. So it has done its job. So friends, this is how you can schedule any job that you want to run only one time at a later date and time. I repeat, only once at a later date or time. Okay, so if you want to repeat your job again and again, maybe every Monday, every Sunday, every midnight, whatever time, or every minute, then you have to look at cron tab. We will discuss cron tab in the next video, most likely in the next video. And for now, I think guys, That's all. And okay, hold on. 80 with the what we did just this command. So we can do it something like this that I want to specify a message that email me when the job is done. So I am the user right now, root user, so it will send me a message that whatever it is. So I can do that. I'm just trying if I can specify a particular message here. Last tokens in job. Yeah, no, we cannot specify it. So just hyphen m is there to mean that it will send me a message that means mail actually. Now let's see ATQ. So our job number 43 is scheduled for 4:01 a.m. and what date and time currently? Yeah, so it is already done. Let's see, the queue is clean now. So job 43 is removed from here. It has done the work. Let's see if we got any email. So you see here output from your job 43. So what is that? So my email message number is 11. You see, this thing was done. GZ was trying to compress the file, but it already found a compressed one, so it did not do anything. But anyways, we have done the job. So guys, use AG command and make use of it, and we will discuss cron tab in a later video. I hope you got it. Thank you. Bye bye.